Welcome back to this tutorial. In this video we are going to see how to draw this machine component using Creo Parametric. Just open Creo Parametric, just go to new, just part modeling, choose part modeling, then give some name, whatever the name you want, just untick this template, then click OK. Here we are going to use so solid, just click OK. So now see the dimensions. So this is our model. First always do material addition parts. So first I am going to extrude this in this direction, right side direction. Then I am going to remove this cut. Then I am going to remove this cut. Simultaneously I will do the model. So first I am going to extrude this model. So length is 120 and height is 35. Just go to Creo Parametric. I am choosing front plane. Just go to sketch view. Now draw the center line. Press the roller to conform, then just go to rectangle. Just I'm creating a rectangle with a symmetric. So this length is 120. This height is 35. Just fit to the view, then click OK to confirm. Then go to, make sure you have selected sketch, then go to extrude option. Just rotate your object. Now I am going to extrude this object as a symmetry. Then our extrusion length is 60. Then click OK to confirm. Next I am going to draw this cut. So just open this, just select this face and go to sketch, then sketch view. Now select reference by using this icon. Just choose this edge, and this edge. Close, then select a rectangle, click mouse roller to confirm. Now length of this object cut is just go to picture again. This is the length, here 20, 45. Similarly here also 20, so 85. Length is 85, height is 10. Just go to model again. This length is 85. This distance, this distance is 15. This is 10. So this is 15 means this to be, actually this is 15, this also 15, then this is 90. Then this is 15. You can check by clicking dimensions. So this is 15. So now just click OK to confirm. Then again click extrude. Now we need to remove the material, reverse direction, just to next. So material removal, click OK to confirm. Now we have just see the model. Now we have removed this material also. Now I'm going to remove this side also. Just go to model again, so select this face, sketch view. Now just take the reference again, click this and this, click close. Now just go to rectangle again, Ctrl Z, just select the rectangle. Up to this we have to choose it, just choose, click the roller to confirm. Now this length is, just go to picture, this length is 30, this height is 20. Just go to the model again, this is 30, this is 20, we need not to modify. So this distance is 15. So now again click OK to confirm, then again go to extrude. Here just change the direction, so just click OK to confirm. So now again, so I'm going to remove, just go to the model again. So here this portion I'm going to do it now. Just go to the model again, so this distance is 60, this thickness is 10. Just go to the model, select this face, sketch view, just go to reference, this, take it as a reference, just close, then go to rectangle again, click center mouse to confirm. Then this distance is 60 and this distance, this height is 10. Now click OK to confirm, then again go to extrude. This is material removal, just choose to next, click OK to confirm. So now just go to the picture again. We have done 80% of the model. The final thing is we just want to create these two holes. So just go to model, the holes of diameter 20. From this side this is 30, from this side this is 20. So this model we are going to create now. Select this surface, then go to sketch view, reference, take these things as a reference, these two, close. So take circle with a diameter of 20, click OK, diameter is 20. So now the distance from the one side edge is, distance for the bottom edge is 30. So this is 30, then distance from this side is 20, so this is 20. Now click OK to confirm, then go to extrude again, change the direction, go to this, throw all, then click OK to confirm. Now we have created a hole, then similar hole we just want to create this side also. So for this we are going to use mirror option. Just click this extrude and select the mirror, select this mid plane. So we can see now the object is mirrored, then click OK to confirm. So now we have done the complete model. You can check it model also. So we have done all the things. So this is our model. Just go to this view, unselect this and select this standard orientation, click this with edge. So this is our model we have done. So for changing the appearance, just go for view, appearance, any material appearance we can give, select this object, select this part, click OK. So now we have designed complete model. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.